Hey guys, so tonight for dinner I am going to make something I've been wanting to try for a while and I have not made it, so I'm kind of anxious to give it a try. I am making honey sriracha chicken. Doesn't that look good? Anyway, I don't know, it looks super good to me. So the recipe is in the fall winter 2022 season's best. So if you have this, you've got the recipe. If you don't have this, reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to get you the recipe. So the recipe calls for fresh broccoli and all that. Well, I don't have that, but what I do have is I have some frozen stir-fry mix. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to change up the order of cooking it because I don't want the stir-fry to get, because it's frozen still, I don't want it to boil my food. So I'm gonna cook it up first for a little bit, try to get rid of some of that moisture, and then I'll dump it out. Well, I'll scoop it out, and then I'll cook up the meat and so on. But anyway, I'm gonna just bring you along with me. So here we go. Okay, to go with our honey sriracha chicken, I am going to cook up some gyoza. The dumplings, chicken gyoza. Y'all like these? These are really good. We only have not even a half a bag left. So I'm gonna cook these up to go with it. And I will use another pan. I'm using the Brilliant 5-quart saute pan for the honey sriracha chicken, and then I'm going to use the 10-inch skillet for the gyoza. Now, this does not come with a lid, but one of my other cookware pieces, I've got glass lids, the 10-inch lid. If you have a 10-inch lid, it should fit this just fine. No problems there. It'll fit just fine. But yeah, it doesn't come with the lid. So, but if you're wondering, when you see me cook it, yes, I'm using a lid, but it doesn't belong to this skillet. But anyway, so here we go.